The overall goal of this procedure is to more accurately characterize the neural correlates of mirror therapy in phantom limb pain patients, that is, PLP patients. This is accomplished by the following steps. Step 1. Ensure that the participant does not have any known contraindications to MRI scanning and provide a pre-recorded audio to make sure that they are able to understand and follow the instructions provided during the scanning procedure. Step 2. Position the patient as comfortably as possible in the scanner bed, where he or she should be lying supine with a single-piece, MRI-compatible horizontal mirror between his or her legs. This mirror should be supported by a triangular stand to avoid contact with any part of the patient's body. Step 3. Place an MRI-compatible digital camera on an adjustable tripod stand near the patient's intact leg to provide real-time video transmission. Step 4. The final step. Begin with an anatomical MRI and adjust the machine settings to each patient, and then, while the functional MRI scan is being performed, play the recording to the patient, instructing him or her to complete the specific behavioral tasks. Ultimately, the mirror attached to the MRI coil will allow patients to watch the mirrored leg movements in real time without moving their heads. For this protocol, you will need the following items: an MRI scanner, 2 MRI-compatible mirrors, a large one to place between the patient's legs, as well as a small one to place on the head coil. Additionally, you'll need sandbags, an MRI-compatible digital camera, a tripod for the camera, a computer-controlled system, and a monitor to place in the back of the scanner bore.